I don't know where to start.
Send help.
Thinking about the going with the cars.
Yeah.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
I am all over the place. I am moving, I am packing. My place, I'm gonna be super honest, is a complete disaster right now. I pretty much took a month off filming, so I feel super out of the loop of talking to a camera and just out of the loop in general of my daily routine. I stayed like over 2 weeks at my parents' house. I've been back and my daughter's been spending some really good quality time with her dad, which I am so lucky and fortunate for, I know. And I have been using that time to just be like a mush. We gotta get back into it and get on top of things. I will show you the state of my place right now, and this is gonna be a real reset. And tomorrow I think I'm gonna be looking at my final apartment, which I will take you along with. We have a lot to do. Here is the mess we are dealing with right now. I do not feel like I was being dramatic. Let me know if you think I was. But yeah, there's a lot going on. We gotta like reset, redo our life, come back to normal. Let me take you. As I mentioned, I've been going through a lot of stress, and I think that led to just my immune system dropping and finally getting over my cold. I got food poisoning literally on New Year's Day. It's been about a week and I'm feeling pretty back to normal. But I am so excited to talk to you guys about today's sponsor because it is by a female-founded company. And if you are looking for a natural remedy, Hilma has you covered. I have them right over here with all of my mess. Now, these are obviously not products you take every day, but you take it when you need it. I've been using products like Gas X or Beano or Tums, like all those guys, and I was looking for a natural remedy and Hilma reached out. So this is our Gas and Blow, a great replacement for Gas X, and their big star ingredient in this is peppermint. So when you open the bottle, you can actually smell peppermint. I also love that they're vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, no sugar added, non-GMO, and clinically tested by a third party. There is also their upset stomach release. So this is gonna be great if you like take Tums and you're looking for a natural option. And the star ingredient here is chamomile. So this one is like a Tums replacement. And then they have their stomach reset, which was really nice after my food poisoning. I also had a meeting with Hilma and they told me that like for a hangover, this is a really nice refreshment. The star ingredient here is the goji berry. I actually did take the gas and bloat relief today because I am really about to start my period. I'm supposed to start it today and I haven't started yet, and I can feel that very consistent bloating to the day before your period starts. And so when you know those symptoms are coming, you feel them coming on, you can get instant relief that really works from a natural alternative. I will link them down below. I highly suggest them. I just think they're the best. I am so excited for this just all over new year 2022 refresh with myself and the environment. I just feel like changing your environment. And while I love this apartment and it served me so well, it does hold like a lot of really difficult, powerful, big moments in my life that I am so proud of, but it is going to be nice to have a fresh start. Let's do some cleaning. Let's do some packing. Let's figure out what's going on right now. I think my boyfriend is going to come over and help me. He did actually put together all these boxes for me, which saved me so much time, so thank you. I remember moving into this apartment and having a 6-month-old who luckily couldn't move anywhere. So like she could roll, but she couldn't like sit up or crawl really. So I would just set her somewhere and make all these boxes. It was, I don't know how the heck I did it, but I did it. I don't know where to start. It's bad. Do I even show you what's happening in my closet? Yeah, I haven't unpacked from my trip, and I'm stressed. Even this, like, well, I just left it a mess. I was filming something, a bunch of videos actually, and now I'm, again, overwhelmed. I haven't even unpacked Arrow from her trip yet. Like, it's just, all the laundry is still in here. We have this.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the night. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
And this way this is facing west, and in the afternoon it's so bright. Yeah. We have magical sunsets.
it's alright. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow.
It's so nice. Look at all these bottles you can play with.
Hi. My apologies for the way I look right now, the ADHD hot mess that this video is. I had the truest intentions of creating a really great, refresh, positive, hopeful start of a 2022, and the world is working against me in every single way possible. I have had people have it harder, definitely. So I don't want to be dramatic, but my life has been the hottest mess. And I really don't know how to wrap up this video, but it needs to be wrapped up. My good tripod is stuck in the nursery and Arrow is napping. So look how loosey-goosey. This is like a 2-week postpartum tripod. Is this a good angle? Because this is the only angle this tripod will allow me to get. Okay, let's wrap up this video. It's 10 days later. I had a spray tan that has now faded off, so if I look sickly, I'm actually healthy. I'm probably the only healthy person around. Arrow has been sick since pretty much the moment I stopped filming is when I noticed Arrow having some symptoms. And so obviously I stopped vlogging and didn't vlog until today, now that she's doing better. So I have been in like isolation, taking care of a sick 18-month-old. That has been my main focus. And I was like, oh my God, I had a vlog and I just never finished it or finished updating you guys on my life. And That also means we have 5 days until I have to move, and nothing is packed. Everything is more messier than it was when I told you I was stressed out about how messy everything was. Obviously, a mess is not as important as my daughter's health, so, you know, that took front page, but we need somewhere to live in 5 days. So, out of last minute resort, I'm not looking at any more apartments. That apartment we just viewed, I'm signing the lease. So that's the apartment, guys. I don't know, maybe it's a blessing in disguise that I don't waste a ton of time looking for places. And tomorrow, I think I'm gonna have an actual day when I can pack. Guys, this past 10 days, I'm like so dehydrated. I'm so tired. I've been sleeping on the floor of her nursery or not sleeping. Eating a lot of cocoa melon. I cannot cocoa melon anymore. And anytime I would try to eat anything, my daughter would like not want me to. She would like try to eat it or destroy it or get really grumpy. So I made like a little snack, this little snack room I made in my bathroom because it's like I'm living off just like sugar if I'm shaky. But yeah, this is not how I thought my 2022 year was going to start, my bright new refresh, but things are looking up. Thankfully, I'm healthy, my daughter's healthy. I know so many out there are probably going through something similar, hopefully not during a move like I am. But all the important things are in check. This vlog, a little bit of a hot mess. I hope that you understand my situation, and we're gonna get back in action really soon. Thankfully, I did film a mom hacks video that first day I started filming, so I do have that video I can edit and put up, and it's cohesive and good. It's a good video, guys. I know you guys like the raw and real, so I'm just gonna let this vlog all hang out. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy out there, mentally, physically, trying our best here as moms to keep the team afloat. I'm hoping tomorrow I can get a little bit of a mental break and clean up my environment, pack, get everything all settled, shower, brush my teeth. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to do my move with everything going on. I am excited. I'm excited to take you guys with me. I'm excited to like not redecorate, because I'm gonna pretty much just have everything that I had in this apartment in the next one, but there are a couple things I need to get, like a kitchen island. There's none in that apartment, and I loved my island here. I need an island. There's also like a long hallway and like no closet space, so I think I'm gonna get like a wardrobe and keep some stuff in there. There's like little things that I need to get for this certain style of apartment, just so I have a place to put things. So there's gonna be some updates. There is gonna be a little bit of redesigning, redecorating, but not too crazy. Maybe I should. Maybe I'll put up wallpaper. Who knows? Probably not. Oh my god. Okay, Arrow's awake. I hear her crying. I love you guys. Bye.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.